Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a supported Dymo printer, admin rights, and the latest installer. Plug the printer into USB or a stable network. Make sure power and status lights are normal. Once done, run the Dymo Connect installer and accept drivers and permissions. This lets the software communicate with the hardware. If asked, sign into your Dymo account or create one to sync templates. Now you have the app open and the device listed. We're ready to build a label. You'll design the label next. Pick the correct label stock or enter exact dimensions so content fits. Drag text fields, barcodes, or images onto the canvas. Select font size and alignment for readability, and set margins to prevent clipping. Once elements are placed, use the preview to confirm layout at actual scale. Make sure the correct Dymo device is chosen and adjust print density or quality if labels appear too faint. When satisfied, save a template so you can reuse this setup quickly. You finish by printing a test label to confirm alignment and accuracy. Print one first, then a batch when correct. Save your template in the library or cloud to streamline future jobs, and use batch mode for multiple copies or variable data. If printing stops or labels are blank, make sure the printer is selected, cables are secure, and firmware and drivers are up to date. Restart the Dymo app and the printer. If problems persist, reinstall drivers or try another USB port to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.